Hi! It's raining. And the wind's blowing. It came on really suddenly. And we were just ghosting along here for a while. Now we've got rather a bit of wind. I don't know how much. Feels like about 20. The good thing is when the wind blows, we go fast.
What are we doing?
Getting up towards 6. Bounce along, high 5s, low 6s. Can't see what the weather is. What we got going on for weather? It's coming, lightning up that way or not. I told you it was going to rain. You said it wasn't going to rain.
I didn't think we were going to hit it. Oh well. Did our wind just go away?
Huh?
Wind just went away?
It died off some.
So what day is it?
Today be the 25th, which makes it day 14. 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. 2 weeks at sea. This morning, the wind came up just enough to get us moving, and at about 6. So we got moving, and put the main and the working jib up, and we're making 2.5, 3 knots, and then this weather system we could see coming down on us from windward. So I was just watching it come, and we had a bet. Laura said it would miss us, and I said no, I think I'm going to get into my foul weather gear. And sure enough, we got it. We got a few minutes of heeled way over and boiling along wind. I don't know, I didn't measure it, so I don't know exactly what it was, but I would estimate it was 25 knots there for a minute or two. Now it's slowing down again. I think it's past us. I can see the wind, the rain now is off to leeward. And is it raining? It's still raining a little bit. Just a little bit, and it's thinning out over there to windward. So.
Is there some sunshine ahead?
No, there's no sunshine ahead.
Man.
Not that I can see anywhere. No, we just went through a squall that had us heeled over a good 20 degrees. We had probably 25 knots of wind at the peak, only for maybe 5 minutes. And now I'm barely able to keep the boat on course, or even pointed in the right direction. The sails are slatting, and Laura's cooking up some corned beef hash and eggs. Hey honey, how's it going?
Good. Almost done. About another 5 minutes.
Yay. We have a nice hearty breakfast here.
Yeah. So that's that beef hash we got at Safeway. It's the first time we've tried it, so hopefully it's good.
Yeah, it comes in like a Mylar pouch, right?
Yeah, one of the few plasticky things that I brought along.
Well, all of our freeze-dried stuff is in Mylar pouches.
Yeah,
but that stuff is easy to compact down for trash. Can't throw it overboard.
Nope.
Nope. Paper and cans you can throw overboard, but you can't throw plastic overboard anywhere.
But I do the best I can to try and minimize the trash. This is all we have for
2 weeks.
2 weeks. That's what we have. For garbage, and the only thing wet garbage is what I just took out of this package. So
yeah, that's one of the things you have to watch out for is
stinky garbage.
Food residue in the trash, because it can get pretty gross.
It gets really bad.
It gets really bad. Today's May 25th. It's still May 25th, and it's just about 10 minutes to 12, just before noon. This morning, the winds have shifted. We've been on the starboard tack almost since we left San Francisco, and but this morning, as the morning wore on, I was unable to stay west of south. I mean, we were going due south, just barely able to hold it. Kept pushing me east of south. I didn't want to go east, so we decided to tack, and now I can't get it to go south of west. I can't even make due west. Trying. Nope, not going to make due west. So I don't know. I don't want to go north. I don't want to go east. So I suppose we may just flip back over onto the starboard tack and settle for south-southeast. I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to go back on the starboard tack and go south. I'd rather go south than go north in any case, even if we have to go a little east. That's what we're going to do. We're going to tack. Yeah, that's better. I can get due south, yeah. Okay, well, due south is better than north-northwest or west-northwest. I just don't want to go north. I don't want to go north. It's cold up there. We're going south. We're going south. Due south. Due south will do. Due south will do.